I just built two mobile apps, played them on my phone, and they're only a few clicks away within the App Store. All I did was simply describe my apps. Replit built them in no time. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into mobile apps by Replit, a brand new way to build, test, and publish real mobile apps just by describing what you want in the chat box. Now in this video, I'm going to build two mobile apps from scratch, a Fruit Ninja style slicing game and a Trivia Blitz challenge app with multiple categories. We're going to preview them live, scan the QR code to play them on my phone, refine them in real time, and then I'll show you how to find them within the App Store. Let's jump into it. So first things first, let's head on over to replit.com. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Once you're inside, it is as easy as coming down to this drop option right here and clicking on mobile app. At the moment, we do have this little announcement box, which reads build and publish mobile apps to the App Store. Describe your mobile app, let the agent build it, and publish directly to the App Store, all from Replit. So I'm going to click on try it right now. That sounds good to me. And there we go. That's going to select the mobile app selection. Let's start with something fun and visual. So I want to build a mobile slicing game where fruit flies onto the screen and players swipe to slice it. I want score tracking, combo bonuses, sound effects, and increasing difficulty over time. Colorful arcade style UI with smooth animations. All right, let's go ahead and punch that in. So once we send that in, Replit's going to go ahead and immediately start building the app. All right, here we go. Here is our game. It is called Swipe Slice, and it says slice fruits, avoid bombs. So let's click on play and dive right into the game. All right, so pretty straightforward. We have to slice the fruit. We also have to avoid the bombs as well. So I thought that was a nice little touch. We got to avoid that. Okay, I'm going to click on pause at the very top, and I'm going to go to the main menu here. Okay, so right away, I'm going to jump over to the chat box in the bottom left, and I'm going to start typing in my revisions. Here's my first round of revisions. Make the fruit pieces look more cinematic. I want it similar to those viral glass fruit ASMR videos. You'll know what those look like. Also, please add sound. Okay, let's punch this in. All right, so I just actually went ahead and uploaded these pictures of glass fruit. This is the kind of look that I wanted to go with, just to be specific with the agent here. So let's go ahead and click on play now. Okay, another bomb. All right, not too bad at all. I'm going to come on over to the main menu here. Okay, now I have another major refinement in mind here. I want to change the overall theme significantly. Here's my next refinement. I want the overall theme of everything to be space theme. I also want the font to look more gamery. Let's go ahead and punch that in. Here's the next round, and now we're working with a space theme, so this looks completely different. Let's click on play. Everything is working pretty well. We've got our combo going on here. Looks like it's getting a little bit harder. There's more bombs now. Difficulty is increasing. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit pause at the top here. Click on the main menu. Let's click on restart. So there we go. There's our app. And as you can see, it is as easy as making your refinements in the chat box. All you gotta do is punch in your ideas and your refinements in the chat box and away you go. Now we can actually take our app, publish it to the App Store. With our mobile app within Replit, we can go ahead and preview this on our phone in real time. We just have to follow these steps. We're going to do all that in a little while here. I'm just back over on the main menu. I want to design another app idea I have in mind. We're just going to make sure we have the mobile app selected right over here. So I have an idea for a trivia style game. So I'm going to punch in my prompt right here. I want to build a mobile trivia game with 3 categories: history, geography, and pop culture. Each category should have multi-choice questions, a countdown timer, instant feedback after each answer, and a final score screen. Let's go ahead and punch this in. Here we go. We've got our app. It is called Trivia Time. Choose a category and test your knowledge. Let's go with history. Play now. Which empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? This one here. Renaissance period. I believe it was France. Okay, Italy. I have no idea. Okay, that was lucky. All right, 3 out of 5. Great job. We'll take it. Let's go back to the category page. So change category. This is working pretty well. Right away, I have a few ideas for my revisions. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it in here. So I want to add sound effects, a progress bar, and a high score screen. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, whenever you make your revisions, you're going to see Replit go ahead and test your app in real time in the chat box. All right, round 2 with trivia time. So we should have sound effects, a progress bar, and a high score screen. This time, let's start off with geography. Click on play now. Which country has the most time zones? Let's click on Russia. Okay, interesting. Pacific. All right, nice little sound effect. Mount Everest, I believe, is in the Himalayas. All right. Largest hot desert in the world. I have no idea. I'm going to go with the Sahara Desert. All right, we got that one as well. Not too bad. Amazon River flows through which continent? It is South America. All right, 3 to 5, new high score. We're going to take that. That is a pass in my books. And I can click on view high scores right here. So here we go. We've got our high score page with our categories, the average and the best. And we can see for each category how we're doing. I'm going to come back over here, change the category. We can also toggle the high score page by clicking up here as well. As I said, once your app is ready to go, you can go ahead and publish it to the App Store. First up, we're going to preview our app on our phone. And we can do that by downloading Expo Go. If you hover your mouse over here, you can take a picture with the QR link for your phone. Then you're going to scan the QR code. Then you can publish the app. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Let's go ahead and install, open it. Once that's all fired up, we just scan the QR code within the app. So here it is. It's trivia time. It's all loading up. All right, let's click on pop culture. Let's see how this works. I believe this is Hedwig, or is it? Yeah, Hedwig. Yeah, there you go. Essential perk. Oh, easy. Queen. The Queen of Pop. Is it Britney Spears? Oh, Madonna. Which artist painted the Mona Lisa? Van Gogh, I'm pretty sure. 3 out of 5, once again. There you go. There's our app, previewable in no time at all. All right, last step to click on publish and go live. All right, so our mobile app and landing page is gonna go live when we hit publish. The landing page is gonna have our QR code to test our app on Expo Go, and then we can submit to the App Store afterwards. Okay, I just selected the Made with Replit badge, why not? And I'm gonna click publish at the bottom here. All right, and this is gonna go all the way from provision to security scan, to build, to bundle, to promote, all within the Replit platform. All right, now it is time for some final thoughts. Now, building mobile apps and getting them onto real devices used to take months, teams, and specialized knowledge. With Replit, you can go from idea to working app to previewing the app on your phone, all the way to publishing your app on the App Store in no time at all. We are talking about minutes here. So if you've ever wanted to build an app or a mobile game, but felt doing so was too daunting, Replit's going to completely change the game for you. So if you want to try this out for yourself, go ahead and use my referral link in the description and pin comment, and you'll get $10 in Replit credits when you upgrade. Now, before I wrap up, I'd love to hear about your Replit mobile app ideas. If you haven't built anything yet, what do you plan on building? And if you have built something, how does your app compare to mine? Drop your answers in the comments below. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your building.